Welcome back to Auto Snuff, where we break down the latest and greatest in automotive performance. Today, we're getting hands-on with the 2026 BMW M4, a muscle-packed, tech-enhanced icon that slaps heritage and innovation together in the best way possible. Let's get into it. The 2026 M4 brings zero revolution, because when you've got it right, why fix it? It continues the G82/M4 legacy with its signature twin-turbo inline, 6-power, killer looks, and driver-focused dynamics. What sets this version apart? More power, more tech, and that unforgettable BMW feeling. Purpose-built to fuel the soul on every drive. At first glance, the new M4 yells, "I mean business." The massive kidney grille is controversial, but undeniably dramatic. Mega fenders, aggressive bumper vents, and those powerful side Q screen performance. Choose your flavor, RWD Coupe or Competition X-Drive with muscular hood bulge, carbon accents, aero lip, and reinforced tracks. It's a statement of intent on the road and in the garage. Climb in and you're greeted by BMW's 4 Series. Derived cabin, but souped up just right. The centerpiece? A curved display merging a 12.3 digital gauge cluster with a 14.9 touchscreen, running iDrive 8.5 with M-specific modes. The steering wheel gets race-inspired tweaks with red M1/M2 buttons. Rockable seats, carbon fiber trims, heated/vented options, HUD, and tons of connectivity. This isn't just a track tool. It's a daily driver with edge. Power comes from the iconic 3.0L twin-turbo inline-6. In base form, it makes 473 horsepower to 406 lb-ft, with 0 to 60 at 4.1 seconds. Move up to competition and you get 503 horsepower to 479 lb-ft, slashing 0 to 60 to 3.8 seconds RWD or 3.4 seconds with Competition X-Drive. Manual purists get a 6-speed stick. Automatic lovers get an 8-speed Sport automatic. Add Sport-tuned adaptive suspension, active diff, M carbon brakes, and you've got a car built for road, track, and bragging rights. The 2026 M4 hits showrooms now, with MSRPs starting around $81,300 for the base coupe, $86,675 for competition, and $91,775 for Competition X-Drive. Convertibles bring premium, topping near $97,500. Add-ons like the carbon package and executive tech upgrades push it north, but every dollar buys bragging rights, performance tech, and undeniable presence. The 2026 BMW M4 isn't pretending, it delivers. It's visceral, and masterfully engineered. It stands tall as a performance coupe that can serve as a daily, weekend hero and track star, all in one. While the grille may divide, the power, refinement, and driving experience unite enthusiasts. If you're craving a car that blends emotion with tech, this is your ride. That's our full breakdown of the 2026 BMW M4. Would you pick a manual base coupe or go full throttle with Competition X-Drive? Let us know down in the comments. And hey, if you dug this video, hit that bell and subscribe to Auto Snuff for more deep dives, raw drives, and unfiltered car talk. Catch you next ride. And remember, drive bold, stay snuffed.